Welcome back to Cuban with a Twist. We are today going to do a chef tip, which I learned from one of my closest friends, the butcher. Best people to know. Okay? We're going to grab the tip of the salmon and we're going to take the skin off without any problems, nice and clean. So what we're going to do is you're going to start off with just a little tip of the salmon, and we're going to hold that down, and you're just going to maneuver your hand. There you go, just like that. Okay, hold on tight, back and forth, back and forth. You can always get your best tips on meats, on fish, how to cook them sometimes, the way to cut them from your local butcher. Keep going. As you can see, clean, perfect, no skin left. Simple. There we go. Didn't even take 2 minutes. Thank you so much for watching us. You can find us on CubanWithATwist.com. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.